What I'm going to do today is lay on the table the exact breakdown of my 50K cash collected months that I've generated in the past. I'm going to pick a sample size of 2, meaning 2 different months where I generated 50 grand in cash, meaning the gross revenues or expected revenues were higher. I'm going to talk about the time involved as a business owner to fulfill the things that I sold online and the income streams that were much more forgiving on my time. My goal with this video is to spark ideas for your next cash injection, but also to put you on the right path if you're searching for more time freedom in your business. Now, if that's you craving freedom in your business, go ahead and type freedom below and let's get into it. Now, we're just going to dive right in. I am going to take a sample size from a couple years ago when it was heavy on my higher ticket services, okay? Now, let me just back up a little bit and just define what high ticket means. So high ticket means something that costs over $2,500. That's my definition. A whole lot of other people agree that that is high ticket. So mid ticket is anywhere between the 500 to 2,000 range. Low ticket, I mean super low ticket, we're talking less than $100 of something that you sell. Now in this first example of this 50K cash month, the income breakdown was as follows. I made $39,700 from my Ascend container, my Ascend service, which is a hybrid YouTube consulting / coaching offer. And we also have done for you services in there. So it's kind of like half agency, half consulting and coaching. Okay. So that Ascend offer that month made $39,700. A majority of that income came from new clients acquired that month. And I'll just say that in our Ascend offer, we have different levels between 5K and up to 20K. So then the next category is, I would say, clients that were on retention. And from this category, we made $5,950 cash collected from retention clients, meaning that clients continue to pay us over time for either YouTube services, YouTube consulting, something along that matter. So that's where that revenue came from. Also, we had a special, grouped in there was also something really fun that we did. We went to a client's home and built out her YouTube studio within the home. So that was really, really fun. I think I charged like $3,200 or something like that. So that was within that $5,950 breakdown. Okay. Then there was a funnel creation service. So my team and I basically created a lead magnet funnel for a client and we charged $2,200 for that service. And then there was video editing that we charged for, which was $560. So this service was editing only. This didn't include any consulting or any strategy or anything like that. And then digital courses. So specifically, this was low ticket income. So that was my $27 and $47 products. We made $460 that month. And then in affiliate commissions from different things I'm promoting, that month we made $604. And then for a one-to-one, there's literally one-off consult I charged $250 for, I think, a 60-minute session, somebody who just wanted to pick my brain. And then the very last thing that month was $209.83 from Google AdSense from YouTube. Now, this month was very exciting because the gross revenue that month was 70 grand, meaning I got paid 50 grand in cash, but the expected revenue to be collected over the next 30 to 60 days was an additional 20 grand. So that is so solid, right? Because that's creeping up right there. Like if you're between 70, 80 grand a month, I mean, that's $1 million a year. So I'm going to return back to this month. Okay, we're going to call this example 1 month. What I'm going to do now is break down example month number 2, where I also net profited 50 grand that month. So this one looked like this, a little bit more simple, 4 main income streams. $3,000 was produced from low ticket courses. So that month, I think I was selling a $47 and a $97 and a $147 product. The profit from that income was $3,000. And then I had a launch that month as well. And I made $41,000 from a product that I sold for $997. And this product was majority, like 80% course. And it was 20% like you get access to a community. And I coached in that community, I think once or twice per month. So there was a little bit of community support with that product. And I would actually put this category, the 41 grand, in the category of a program. Okay. So this is not like a course, because here's the thing. I define a course as something where you deliver a digital product, people go through the portal and consume the tutorials or the guides, the templates, whatever, and they do not get any support at all. That is a course. When there's some form of community or support or consulting involved, that I categorize into a program. Okay. Then moving on, that month I made $42,000 in Google AdSense. Yes, I know that's quite a dramatic difference from the other amount. And then lastly, my affiliate commissions that month was $2378. So $2,378. Now, let's just break down. I think so that was just like 50,000. I can't do the math. I don't have it written down. Do I? No, I don't. Sorry, I just did the math because that was bothering me. So I made $50,578 cash that month. The gross, I don't remember what the gross was. I think it was probably close to somewhere around 58 in expected payments from clients that month, because some people joined with payment plans. But anyway, by the way, if you're excited about this concept, I created something for you called the AI Product to Profit Builder. It's a fast, hands-on training that helps you take what you already know, turn it into a ready-to-profit $27 to $97 digital product, 95% done by AI. I've been working on this for over 8 months, and honestly, it's the most compressed version of everything I've learned over the past 7 years of selling digital products. Inside, I walk you through how to use AI to pull the right product idea out of your expertise, structure it into a simple paid offer, write the sales page, and get it ready to sell without spending months wasting time doing it by hand and building some giant thing from scratch. My goal for you is simple: to help you create a low-ticket digital product that could become your next 4 to 5 figure per month revenue arm in your business. So here's what I want you to do. Text me. If you're watching on your phone, text me right now using the first link in the description. If you're watching on desktop or TV, scan the QR code you see on the screen. It'll prompt you to send me a text, and as soon as you do, I will send you the link to the AI Product to Profit Builder plus a sweet discount code to make it even cheaper. So step 1, text me. I will send you the link. You can pop in the discount code at checkout, and I will see you on the inside. What I want to say now is I've tried it all. The whole point of this video was comparing on paper 2 different months that had the same exact income and cash coming in, but did not have the equal amount of hours of me going out. In example month 2, I worked way less, way less than I did in the first month example, where out of the 50 grand, about 39,000 came from high ticket. Trust me, I was working way more. My team that month was way bigger because I had to have help in the sales department. I had to have help with a closer, an appointment setter. I had to have, an operations manager, people on my team that were helping me fulfill the work to these high ticket clients. I had to travel that month to help do the YouTube studio build for a client. It was a lot. I mean, we're talking, I don't know how much I worked, probably 50 hours a month. Whereas in the other example 2, where majority of the money came from the course, or I would say program and course sales, that was much less demanding. I was actually pregnant. Okay. And it was during Christmas season, and I was just like, I want to rest. And I rested so much, and I was able to, I took 2 weeks off for Christmas, like off, like turn computer off. And it was just so much more time freedom based. I had the AdSense recurring revenue, the affiliate commissions, and when you sell a lot of low ticket courses, meaning like the ones that are just courses you deliver and there's no fulfillment with you or time involved, that is like 100% profit to your business. Besides, you got to pay taxes on whatever business income you're doing. But I think you get the point. And so all that to say is one of my favorite income streams actually is affiliate marketing and affiliate marketing commissions. I'll talk deeper about that in a future video. So if that interests you, subscribe to the channel. But I want to kind of pinpoint this quiet revenue stream of the low ticket courses of $3,000 in example month 2. That was, like I said, pure profit, meaning I didn't have to pay anyone else on my team to help fulfill the work. I didn't need to hire someone to help. That was just on autopilot. Truly 98% passive income. When I don't say 100% passive income, because no matter the thing you're selling, you're going to either have to do paid ads to sell it or organic traffic. And both of those things require, in my opinion, an equal amount of effort, because with paid ads, you're going to have to run different campaigns. You're going to have to create content for paid ads. It's a lot of work. Every month you got to be testing new ads and making sure that you're getting high click-through rates and that your ads are profitable. And with organic, you're just going to have to be consistent and continue to post to keep the organic engine going, especially on this platform, YouTube, and on Instagram, etc. But I want to come back and point to the low ticket, because low ticket is my favorite thing to sell ever. Okay, when I see a Stripe notification that says $27, $47 sale, I get super excited, because shortly after, in a lot of cases, I would say 2 out of 5 to 6 times I have somebody buy, they'll upsell into another product because I have an upsell funnel. Okay, and they'll buy products. So a customer who buys my front end $47 product can easily turn into a $440 transaction. I mean, that is $440 of profit, pure profit, right, coming in. And later in the funnel, when I do back-end marketing, they're likely to buy from me again. They're likely to upgrade into a higher ticket thing that I have. They consume your content and become not only a buyer, but a raving fan, and will refer you to others. So overall, to circle back on everything, what I want to say is that within business, that are things that are going to take your time and that are going to either energize you and just keep you so fulfilled and happy, or drain you and keep you working and checking back on your computer at 8 p.m., 9 p.m. at night and having you freak out, having you be like, oh no, like, has this thing been delivered on time? And is this client satisfied? And there's a big pressure that comes from, if you have an agency or a service that has heavy operations, yes, the big paydays are very fulfilling, but I promise you there is a way to restructure your business, which I have actually done in the past 3 months, and I'm so excited about it, because I have restructured in a way to where my low ticket is going to bring in the multiple 5-figure months. My affiliate income is also going to do the heavy lifting. And if I offer high ticket again, it is just going to be extra revenue and icing on the cake, and revenue that I don't need to make, because my low ticket and my affiliate revenue are going to be doing the heavy lifting. All right, if you enjoyed this video, definitely check out the video coming up next, all about how I leverage this AI to produce my next low ticket offer, like the one I described in this video. You'll check it out. You just click right here, and I will see you on that video.